A hero does not always wear a cap. Sometimes a legacy is written in fire. I'm trapped from all four sides. There is fire everywhere, and it is very difficult for me to get out. If I made any mistake, please forgive me. And this is where our story begins today. Welcome to Reality Check, and I am Ramna Said. This was not a speech, this was not a warning, this was a goodbye. A man surrounded by smoke, heat, and locked doors.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं चारों तरफ से फंस चुका हूँ। गुलप्लाजा में बहुत खतरनाक किस्म की आग लगी। मेरा निकलना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है। मुझसे कोई गलती कोताही हो को माफ कर देना। अल्लाह क्या अल्लाह। अरे दरवाजा तोड़ो। अली भाई बाहर आ गए। आग अंदर आ गई। खिड़की तोड़नी पड़ेगी। भाई यहाँ पे आ गए। अली भाई यहाँ पे आ गए।
ये आवाज़ किसी एक शख्स की नहीं थी, ये गुल प्लाजा के अंदर फंसे हुए हर इंसान की आवाज़ थी. दिस वॉइस नोट इज़ नॉट कंफर्टेबल, इट इज़ नॉट calm, it is not neutral. This is accountability. This is the story of Gul Plaza and of a system that chose silence over safety. What happened there was not destiny. It was not an accident, but it was the result of decisions, approval and neglect. ये आग नहीं थी, ये कत्ल था जो मिलकर किया गया है. Gul Plaza stood in the heart of Karachi for years, a hub of trade, income and daily struggle. Thousands passed its doors every day and everyone knew the risk. Shopkeepers, workers, inspectors and even authorities. मगर कराची में जाना काफ़ी नहीं होता. यहाँ खामोशी ज़्यादा सस्ती होती है सेफ्टी से. The building was never designed for what it became. Parking areas were turned into shops, extra floors were added, and corridors were blocked with goods. Emergency exits disappeared, profit took their place. Yet, the building stayed open. Because files were signed, because bribes were paid, because inspections existed, but only on paper. Then came the night, a routine work day ending, shops closing and stocks being counted. Some workers stepping inside to guard goods. Then came the night, a routine work day ending, shops closing, stock being counted. Some workers were sleeping inside to guard the goods. And then the fire erupted. The cause no longer matters. What matters is what failed next. There was no fire alarm, no evacuation system, no warning. Smoke spread faster than panic. Thick, black and poisonous. लोग भागे मगर कहाँ? Exits were locked or blocked. Staircases were narrow, corridors were choked with merchandise. They were not trapped by fire alone, they were trapped by years of approved negligence. और ये पहली मर्तबा नहीं हुआ था. November 2023, RJ Mall. A generator short circuit in a sealed building where no ventilation, no emergency exits, yet young night shift workers died standing and gasping for air. 11 died, 35 injured. April 2023, New Karachi factory where cooling work was underway when the infrastructure collapsed. ये आग से नहीं बल्कि सिस्टम की नाअहली की वजह से मरे. August 2021, Mehran Town, a commercial factory in the residential area where 17 workers were burned alive. One exit, but it was locked. Windows barred, bodies found. September 2012, Baldia factory, over 260 workers killed. Yes, 260 human beings, and it was Pakistan's deadliest industrial crimes. Later confirmed that the fire was deliberate, where all exits were locked, different places, same pattern, fire, deaths, inquiry, and silence. And inside this hell, at Gul Plaza, one man did not run. A hero does not always wear a cape. Karachi mourns Shaheed Furqan Ali, 38 years old, a firefighter who walked into the flames while others escaped. When the structure was unstable, when retreat was ordered, Furqan moved forward. ये जुनून नहीं था, ये फ़र्ज़ था. He was the sole provider for his family, the youngest among 9 sisters, son of a martyred firefighter, married just a year ago, father of a 6-month-old son. His dream was simple: to see his child grow, study, and become a lawyer. That dream remained inside Gul Plaza. His father also died in the line of duty. And knowing that history, Furqan still chose the same path. ये कुर्बानी नहीं, ये विरासत है. Low pay, old equipment, limited resources, yet complete commitment. Inside the building, people were calling home, sending last messages, breaking doors that would not open. Outside, flames rose higher than official statements, higher than recycled promises. Fire engines arrived late, roads were blocked, and water was insufficient while equipment was outdated. Firefighters fought bravely. But bravery cannot fix this structural crime. These are not unanswered questions. Why did the fire spread so fast? No sprinklers. Why did smoke kill before flames? No ventilation plan. Why couldn't people escape? Locked and blocked exits. ये राज नहीं है, ये जुर्म है. Authorities arrived after the fire. Committees were formed. Statements were issued. But sympathy does not equal justice. Yes, sympathy does not equal justice. Inquiries do not bring accountability. Transfers are not punishment. Suspensions are not justice. जब तक कोई powerful शख्स जेल नहीं जाता, ये सब दोबारा होता रहेगा. Gul Plaza is not an isolated tragedy. It represents every unsafe market in Karachi, every illegal factory, every overcrowded plaza, a system that waits for the bodies before action, a system that values influence over lives. Families are grieving, workers are gone forever, and the city prepares to move on. But it should not be the case. Because अगर हम भूल गए तो अगला नंबर हमारा हो सकता है. This fire was not fate, it was failure, it was corruption, it was neglect. Gul Plaza did not burn because fire is powerful. It burned because governance is weak. Until safety becomes non-negotiable, until laws are enforced before disaster, until human life matters more than profit, Karachi will keep burning. Thank you for watching Reality Check. We will continue to follow these developments closely and bring you the facts as they evolve. I am Ramna Said. Take care and we'll see you in the next episode.